It is the 7th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an urgent review of early prison release. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, le juge ferme l'affaire d'un ancien Olympien. The judge closes the case of a former Olympian. Next, Sweet Green baisse ses prévisions pour l'année. Sweet Green lowers its forecast for the year. And Kim Lecourt gagne la 6e étape. Kim Lecourt wins the 6th stage. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Now let us decode it word by word. Andy Burnham is the name. Demande means asks for or requests. Une révision means a review. Urgente means urgent. The headline shows a French pattern where the adjective comes after the noun. Révision urgente. Andy Burnham demande une révision urgente. Andy Burnham asks for an urgent review. Demande. The verb from today's headline comes from demander. To ask for. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. En Angleterre et au pays de Galles, environ 5000 prisonniers peuvent sortir. In England and Wales, about 5,000 prisoners can leave. Sadudes, that is the number in today's story, means 5000. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le projet exclut les viols, les crimes graves sur des enfants et certaines affaires de grooming. The plan excludes rapes, serious crimes against children, and some grooming cases. Et and is the small word that joins items in the list. La révision cherche les cas de grooming. The review looks for grooming cases. Say it with me. Révision. The sound in révision is the same clear. Saillant. Sound that you hear in several common French words. Cette révision est urgente. This review is urgent. Urgente shows the serious news style here, and it matches the noun in the sentence. Now for the pattern of the day. Demander. To ask for, je demande. Tu demandes. Il demande. Nous demandons. Vous demandez. Il demande. The headline uses the il form, demande. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does the government ask for? Is it A. Une révision urgente. La sortie de prison. Or c'est une révision urgente. Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.